Hey guys, on today's segment I'll be making a red potato and Gruyere cheese casserole. Quarter the red potatoes and cut the onions in moon-shaped slices. Add the spices, olive oil, and combine. Line the baking sheet with parchment paper and evenly arrange the potatoes. Place the potatoes in a preheated oven for 40 minutes. Season the eggs, add the heavy cream or half and half. Chop the spinach and combine with the egg mixture. Once the potatoes are cooked, it should be tender inside with a golden brown exterior. Drizzle a casserole dish with olive oil and spread to coat evenly. Pour the mixture and spread evenly, then add the potatoes and combine. Cover with aluminum foil and pop it into the oven. And there you have it, a simple and delicious weeknight dish for the family. It's wholesome, easy to make, and it's satisfying. So if you like what you just saw, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.